Hello, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing well. My name is Curtis, and you're watching Positive Breaks, where we stay positive and break open something new. So today, in this video, we're talking about beard oil, but not just any beard oil. We are talking about Buildabeardco. It is a new startup company coming out of Canada, and I am excited to dive in. So let me run my quick intro, and we will jump right in. So Vinny over at Buildabeardco on Instagram had a great idea. He was going to build a brand new beard company, and he was going to outsource all the ideas to the community, kind of a crowdsourcing new company. So he sent out questions like, what kind of scents do you like? How often do you buy beard oil? What do you think is a good beard company name? All these amazing things. And as a thank you to the first 100 followers, to the first 100 team members, he was going to send out the first beard oil scent that he created, and it was actually going to be a limited edition just to those first 100. So I've got it here. This is called the first 100, and it is from Buildabeardco. And one of the things that's really exciting is that they finally have a beard company name. They're going to be named MANETAINED. So it's like maintaining your beard, but also using the fun term that your beard is like a lion's mane. So I'm going to go ahead, break open this bottle. It just says the first 100 on it. It is going to be a woodsy scent. So here we go. Let's take a big sniff. Oh, goodness, that smells good. So the way you use beard oil is after you jump in the shower or after you wet your beard. I jumped in the shower a little bit ago, but I think most of them dried off by now, but that's okay. You take your beard oil. If you're wearing a ring, you might take it off. I take mine off. It's up to you. And you just take a couple drops out. For a beard my size, I have about a year-long beard. We're looking at about 6 or 8 drops or more, depending on how your beard reacts. So I'm going to go ahead, and it's kind of a yellowish green color. That's from the jojoba oil and the grapeseed oil in it. And it's the purpose of beard oil is to help hydrate your beard, and you do that by hydrating the skin underneath your beard. So it smells amazing. Get it up in there. Get your skin nice and oiled. So what happens when you have a beard is the beard will soak up all of your skin's natural oil, which then leaves your skin to not have any. So that's when you get your what they call dry beard or itchy beard, or that's why a lot of times when guys start growing a beard, and it gets longer than a week or two, and it starts to itch because their skin is dry and they get dry skin. So you put beard oil on, and you start with the skin, and you take whatever you have left over, and you just go ahead and work into the beard. Kind of make sure the ends get it as well, because as you can imagine, as your beard soaks up the skin, it doesn't quite get all the way to the bottom. All right, so that's how you apply it. It smells great. This one's a woodsy scent, which doesn't really matter for you because this is a limited edition. Once the shop starts, you're not going to be able to buy this one yourself. All right, so once you get it all in, you get yourself a nice comb. I use a Kent comb, the 14T, nice saw cut. That way you don't get any snags. And you just comb it through to help to spread the oil around. And there you go. He sent me this nice little note that says, thanks for joining this journey. You are awesome, and I appreciate you. Stay maintained. Cheers, Vinny. So that's going to be the beard brand, the brand name. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and jump down here to my laptop and show you their Instagram page. So here it is, Buildabeardco. We had a couple different names, so you might see Build-A-Beard brand and some of these labels down here, some of these Instagram posts and reels, but he has changed it to Buildabeardco due to some legal stuff. So this is the bottle that I received. Looks just like this. The first 100 premium beard oil. This is a half-ounce bottle, and he even says right here that he was offering the first 100 followers this amazing oil. So if you're not familiar with Buildabeardco or Maintained, then I want to encourage you to check out his Instagram and just follow along. So um, he was able to grow pretty quickly. I think that was just because of the nature of this being a, a collaboration. So this was really fun. And like I said, I encourage you to check it out. So it is at Buildabeardco, and I will put this link to their Instagram page in the description below. So he's working with a professional essential oils, an essential oils specialist to help make sure that he has a healthy blend that's not going to cause any damage to anybody. They did a great job talking about product label and voting on official brand names. All this was done on social media, and it was really fun. So back up to the camera. So if you enjoyed this, if you are excited to check out a new company, to help a new company grow, I want to encourage you to go check out the Instagram page. Go check out Vinny. He is a great guy. He is so responsive and so positive whenever I send him a message or whenever I comment on one of his posts, sharing my ideas that I think will help build his business. So I encourage you to go check him out, throw a thumbs up on this video, and go and support him if you choose. My name is Curtis. You just watched Positive Breaks. Stay positive and break open something new. Bye.